I challenge you. I challenge you to get your next client in 2 weeks. Let me show you how. So what we have over here is an incredible 2-week challenge, unlike anything other, because I'm going to give you everything you need to get your next credit repair client in 2 weeks. Everything, period. Or your money back guarantee. I would check out this video when you get a chance. By the way, this 2-week challenge will be down below in the description below, but let me just talk about some of the, because you already knew that. So let's just talk about some of the things that's actually included in the 2-week challenge. I would recommend you watch that video because this would be a quick testimony, a quick success story talking about the 2-week challenge. Pretty much how this works is we're going to make sure you got down the foundations. We're going to make sure that you optimize your social media presence to turn into a powerful lead magnet. In addition to that, a couple other organic strategies that's not going to cost a single dollar in ads or anything to get your next client. So first thing, you're going to receive your assets. Your assets are going to consist of something called the Credit Repair Blueprint. In the Credit Repair Blueprint, like I said, it's going to teach you how to optimize your social media presence and turn into a powerful lead magnet, a powerful lead trap right there. Pretty much what that means is just adding a bunch of call to actions on your social media, like your Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, even LinkedIn. Adding a bunch of call to actions, a bunch of optimization points, a bunch of key optimization points into your social media so that when you're doing normal things, when you're commenting, when you're engaging, when you're posting out content, when you're posting out value, people are going to go back. People are inherently nosy. I do this, you probably do this. People are going to go back to your social media presence. They're going to see who you are. And when they see who you are, let's consider that social media as a landing page. When they hit that landing page, you're going to want to have them instantly know that you're that go-to guy or gal for credit repair. When they hit your social media, they should instantly, if they don't know instantly that you're a credit repair expert and that you should be the go-to credit repair expert and that you are an authority figure and that you're a trustworthy guy or girl, then you do something wrong. I know a lot of people, they might think that, oh, Blade, my social media is down pat, it's perfect. I would just highly recommend you check out this credit repair blueprint, just to touch base and make sure that you have every single optimization point out there. Could be missing something, who knows? In addition to that, it's going to teach you a couple other things like how to create lead magnets, how to structure your lead magnets, and a bunch of other strategies to get clients on there as well. So that's packed with information. Next thing you're going to receive is your choice of funnel template. Now you can utilize, I highly recommend using Go High Level, but you can take this funnel template, you can get from me 2 weeks of Go High Level for free, and then you can utilize this funnel template for your Go High Level, or you can also use it for ClickFunnels, as you probably see in the picture over there. Next thing you need to know is you need to create viral posts. Well, first we have 100 social media posts that you can utilize templated, that you can just take and post on your Instagram or your Facebook. In addition to that, you also, you can give a man fish, like right here, or you can teach a man how to fish. That's how the saying goes. We also have a section over here on how to create viral posts. So what's this going to do is going to teach you, it's a quick 20-minute slideshow to teach you exactly how to actually get the most engagement to every post that you have. The key actions that you need to utilize in your posting to make sure you get a bunch of engagement. So overall, just make your post viral. Next thing that we have is a quick no fluff training. And this is going to teach you my 3 main topics to getting your next client in 2 weeks. All right. First thing is getting more referrals. Second thing is optimizing social media presence. 13 is the content distribution method. I love that one, by the way. Because it's going to allow you, like it says over here, it's going to allow you to charge a lot more. One of the biggest things I love about that is providing value to show that you're an expert, show that you know what you're talking about, so you can have clients come to you, right? In contrast to you going out trying to get clients over there. And this is kind of like the last one over here, but certainly not least. Call it the tagging hustle. Trust me, 1, 2, 3 right there are going to get your next client in the first 2 weeks if it's done right. The tagging hustle, though, that's an all-out war right there. That's something you keep in your arsenal to get clients on demand. Snipe this client. All right, guys, I call it the tagging hustle, which is exactly what it's named for. All right, it's going to allow you to leverage social media and to leverage a tagging tactic to get your next credit per client. And that one really does work. Not gonna lie, I wasn't the one that originated this tagging hustle. I actually learned it from a buddy, but it's ingenious. It's truly ingenious, and you gotta check this out. But let's move on to the next thing. Step 3 is to get results. Don't we all love this, guys? Let's close those deals, guys. Let's make that money, all right? And realistically, guys, this is a simple 3-step process to really get to your next couple of clients. Obviously, guys, I want you guys to succeed. So I'm going to give you a bunch of consultation calls. If you ever need help in this, you're going to get my credit card closing script. You're going to get Go High Level ready and also ClickFunnels. Credit repair funnel template. You're going to get 100 social media posts. You can get the credit repair blueprint. You're going to get how to get instant referrals on autopilot. You get the how to create viral posts. You're going to get the generate the free clients on demand course, guys. Total value is $8,000. Guys, it's only $47. Okay. And for a limited time only, this is going to be $47. So you guys know, you guys are smart people. You guys know already where the 2-week challenge is down below. And if you have any questions whatsoever, the way I operate my business is I want you guys to succeed as much as possible. So don't hesitate to comment down below. You're also going to get in this, you're going to get access to my WhatsApp group. So if you have any questions on there, it's a pretty much a private, semi-private group training with me, my team, and everybody else. So we all can help each other out collectively, and I can answer any questions that you might have. So guys, if you're interested in the 2-week challenge, make sure you click that link down below, and let's get this part started. And I'll see you right there, guys. Right there. That's the top. Peace out.